Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into n8n, a workflow automation tool that's really built for developers. The folks who'd much rather be writing cool features than just wrestling with APIs all day.
Look, if you're a developer, this is going to sound way too familiar. You spend so much of your time just trying to glue different services together, dealing with tricky authentications, parsing data that comes back as a total mess, all just to make two things talk to each other. It's this constant, frustrating grind. And that friction? Well, it's not an accident. It's because we're all trying to find our way through what you could call the modern integration maze.
I mean, think about it. The web today is just this massive, tangled jungle of APIs, right? And getting all these different systems to play nice with each other isn't just a one-and-done job, it's a daily battle. The connections you build are often super fragile, and just keeping them from breaking eats up so much time you could be spending on things that actually matter.
So, how do you actually find your way through this mess? Well, that brings us right to n8n, a tool that's really designed to be your compass for automation.
So what is n8n exactly? At its heart, it's a node-based tool, and what that means is you visually build your automations by connecting these little blocks called nodes. Each one is a step, a trigger, an action, maybe something that transforms data. It's a really powerful visual way to build out these integrations instead of just writing endless lines of glue code.
And this is where n8n really starts to pull away from the pack. Unlike tools like Zapier or Make that are cloud-only and totally proprietary, n8n is fair code. That means its source code is available and you can self-host it for free, giving you complete control. And when you combine that with the ability to just drop in your own custom code whenever you want, that's a level of flexibility that is a total game changer for developers.
Okay, that's the theory. But let's see how this actually works in the real world. We're going to tackle three super common headaches for developers that n8n is just perfectly built to solve.
All right, first up, a very modern problem. You're trying to integrate with a large language model, like something from OpenAI or Gemini, and the response you get back is wrapped in Markdown, or it has all this conversational fluff around it. It's not the clean, parsable JSON you need, and it just breaks your whole workflow. So frustrating.
Now, inside n8n, this isn't some huge ordeal. The workflow is actually pretty simple. You grab that messy response, you pass it to what's called a function node, where you can run a quick little bit of code, like a regex expression, to strip out all the junk, and then boom, you output perfectly clean JSON to the next step. Problem solved in just a few minutes.
Okay, this next one. If you're a self-hoster, you have definitely felt this pain. You're running n8n on your own private server, no public domain name, and you need to connect to Google Sheets. But Google's whole OAuth process demands a public callback URL, which you just don't have. It's a classic roadblock.
So what do? Well, you've basically got two main paths forward here. The really quick fix is just to use n8n's cloud version. They handle all of that for you. But if you're committed to self-hosting, the proper long-term solution is to set up a reverse proxy with an SSL certificate. That gives your private server the public address that Google's auth servers need to see.
And now for something super practical, a really common business request. You've got critical data living in an Excel file on OneDrive, and you need to automatically send a notification to your team's channel whenever certain conditions in that spreadsheet are met. This is like the bread and butter of automation for so many companies.
In n8n, this is a beautiful, straightforward flow. It all starts with a schedule trigger. Let's say it runs every morning at 9 a.m. The next node reads the Excel file. Another one filters it down to only the rows you actually care about, and then the final node formats a nice message and posts it to a Microsoft Teams channel. Just a simple 4-node workflow that solves a real business problem.
So you can see how n8n is awesome for these specific tasks. But here's the thing, it's not just a little utility tool. It's designed to scale right along with you, from that very first simple flow all the way to really complex, enterprise-level systems.
The learning path in n8n is pretty cool because the ceiling is just incredibly high. Yeah, you'll start with simple workflows connecting email and Slack. But before you know it, you're building your own custom nodes for APIs that aren't even supported yet. And eventually, you can even use n8n to orchestrate much bigger, custom-coded services. It really does grow with your skills.
And the best part is, you don't have to figure all this out on your own. The community is huge, and they consistently point to these same resources to level up. The official docs and courses are your foundation. The community forums are absolutely essential for troubleshooting. And creators on YouTube have some fantastic practical guides. But you know what the real key is? Just start building stuff. So we've seen the maze of modern integration, we've seen how n8n acts as a compass, and we've even looked at the path you can take from a beginner all the way to an expert. And that really just brings us to the final and, I think, most important point.
With a tool like n8n, you're not just connecting a couple of apps or automating a few simple tasks. You're being given the building blocks to create intelligent, scalable systems. You have the compass to navigate that whole integration maze. So the only question left is, what problem are you going to solve first?